Hello everybody, Namaskara. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can learn a lot about yoga. I'll be putting up a series of videos that will teach you how to perform various asanas according to your level of experience. I want to start off the series by showing you how to do an asana called Trikonasana, which roughly translates to triangle pose. This video will show you how to do the easy variation of the triangle pose. So, go get your yoga mat and let's get started. Begin by standing up straight with your feet hip-width apart. Make sure your navel is pulled in, chest is up, shoulders and neck are relaxed. First, place your feet more than shoulder width apart in line with each other. Make sure that you are comfortable in this stance. Don't want it to be too wide or too narrow. Trikonasana is a lateral bend of the spine where you feel the stretch along the side of the trunk. Now turn one foot out and angle it perpendicular to the direction you are facing. You can choose either the left or the right foot. I'm going to show you how to do it with the left foot. Take your arms and stretch them out to a T. Then turn your face in the direction of your left foot. As we do not bend the spine laterally in our daily activities, hence most of the yoga classes typically start the practice with Trikonasana. Next, bend your left knee forward. Bending the knee makes it much more easier. Now, lean forward and grip your left ankle with your left hand. If you can't make it to the ankle, that's totally fine. Just go as low as you can. Once you've got a firm grip, try to bring your forehead in line with your big toe. Make sure that your body is in one straight horizontal plane. Now you need to open up your chest. To do that, you can pull against the grip like this. Finally, you just need to turn your head and look up at your right thumb. You can stay in this position as long as your body allows you to. Notice the areas of your body, especially upper body, that are feeling a stretch. Do not push yourself to a level of pain. If you start feeling the pain anywhere, slowly release yourself from the posture. But if you're feeling fine, keep your attention focused on your breath. While releasing, do it as slowly and as gently as you got into the posture. Do not try to shock your body in any way. This asana is symmetrical, so you can repeat the same steps using the right side of the body. And that, my friends, was Trikonasana, the triangle pose. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like, share and subscribe for plenty of yoga content. Take care.